President Barack Obama unveiled a proposal for a program he calls America's College Promise during his State of the Union address earlier this month. ACP would provide free community college to students who can maintain a 2.5 GPA and 6 to 8 credit hours. And as our Justin Prince tells us, it could have a local impact.
What I'd like to do is to see the first 2 years of community college free for everybody who's willing to work for it.
That was President Obama's message before his annual State of the Union address last week. And if that proposal were to pass, Central Lakes College in Brainerd could see some big changes.
Having a free community college would be a significant increase to our current enrollment, just because it would make education accessible really for anyone in the state of Minnesota.
However, officials at CLC expect the proposed changes to be a good thing for the college.
The idea behind it in terms of offering free community college would just be a tremendous educational opportunity for everyone in our area. So it's something that we're definitely looking at with great interest.
Citing financial issues as one of the biggest threats to college education, they think it will draw students in a way they have not seen before.
One of the biggest barriers students have is how are they going to pay for college. We see that within the financial aid department on a daily basis. It's a very large decision for a family to choose a college. If the financial barrier is lifted on these families, I can see a spike in enrollment at all two-year schools within the state of Minnesota.
While the proposal would greatly impact both traditional and non-traditional students, it could also affect faculty and the local community just as much.
This type of initiative is something that could, significantly grow our enrollment. Certainly it would stretch our current staffing and faculty levels to be very thin, but certainly we'd have to look at how we deliver services, how we expand it, and to make it more accessible for students.
We're dealing with significant workforce shortages. So when you hear about bold new ideas to try to train skilled workers and get more people with better skills in the workplace, we're excited about any and all of those.
And although it's a proposal still in its infancy, the White House says the program could save approximately 9 million students up to $3,800 each in tuition. On Central Lakes College campus in Brainerd, Justin Prince, Lakeland News.
If the proposal did pass, state and federal governments would cover tuition costs for the students.
If you've enjoyed this segment of Lakeland News, please consider making a tax-deductible contribution to Lakeland Public Television.